Hello everyone, this is Sajid Latif Khan and you are watching my channel Learning for All, and today in this video we will discuss about graphic organizers, that how they are useful for teaching and learning, and especially for teaching any subject in the classroom, why graphic organizers are handy and useful for teachers. Let's try to know that what is graphic organizers. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ऐसे विजुअल डिस्प्लेस को कहते हैं जो फैक्ट्स, आइडियाज़ और कॉन्सेप्ट्स के दरमियान रिलेशनशिप को शो करता है. Graphic organizers help students to organize, comprehend, and internalize new learning. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स दोनों के लिए हेल्पफुल होते हैं. सवाल ये है कि ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को क्लासरूम्स में क्यों इस्तेमाल किया जाए. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स टीचिंग और लर्निंग के प्रोसेस को आसान और सिंपल बनाता है. ये स्टूडेंट्स की लर्निंग को इंजॉयबल और इंटरेक्टिव बनाता है. दे वर्क इन बोथ वेज एज टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग टूल्स. एज एन इंस्ट्रक्शनल स्ट्रेटजी दे हेल्प टीचर्स. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की मदद से टीचर टॉपिक को इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकती है, प्रायर नॉलेज को एक्टिवेट करके न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन से लिंक कर सकती है. टीचर अपने कंटेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकती है और पढ़ाने से पहले या पढ़ाने के बाद लेसन को समराइज कर सकती है. स्टूडेंट्स की कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को असेस कर सकती है. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स किसी भी किस्म के आइडियाज़ को कंस्ट्रक्ट और विजुअलाइज करने में मदद देते हैं. These graphic organizers help in reading comprehension. They can sequence the information. They can be helpful in organizing the information. Graphic organizers brainstorming को increase करते हैं. They can also help to organize problems and solutions, compare and contrast, cause and effect, and make the learning simple. Graphic organizers can do the major trick in the classrooms and enhances the engagement of the students towards learning. Graphic organizers are useful key components of teaching. Unfortunately, हम आज भी स्कूल्स में लेक्चर बेस्ड मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जिससे स्टूडेंट्स की लर्निंग पे कोई ख़ास फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा. It is only teachers' responsibility to train the students to use graphic organizers wherever they can be used. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि हम स्टूडेंट से कहें कि वो स्टोरी पढ़ने के बाद ख़ुद से ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स बनाएं, बल्कि हमें चाहिए कि हम पहले इनको ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स बनाना सिखाएं. I have visited thousands of schools and teachers are of the views that their students are struggling in English creative writing and comprehension, and they don't know what to do. Both of the skills are very important in English to teach. I will highly advise to teachers to use graphic organizers in their reading classes. It can be very handy and useful tool in reading comprehension. This is one of the best teaching strategies that the teachers can use in their classes. By using these graphic organizers, students have fun in the class and their curiosity is boosted up. ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर्स बच्चों की कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स को डेवलप करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, रिफ्लेक्शन, क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एंड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग कंटेंट, brainstorming and generation of ideas. These graphic organizers help students to retain information. There are many types of graphic organizers like KWL chart, T diagram, Venn diagram, sequence chart, concept maps, main idea web, mind maps, and so on. Let's try to learn how to use them, and they can be useful for teaching different subjects. Let's discuss about KWL chart. KWL chart के ज़रिए टीचर्स बच्चों के किसी भी टॉपिक, लेसन या सब्जेक्ट के प्रायर नॉलेज को एक्टिवेट करते हैं. KWL चार्ट को प्री रीडिंग स्ट्रेटजी के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स इस चार्ट को फिल करते हैं. के से मुराद के स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में कितना जानते हैं या व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स नो। डब्ल्यू से मुराद है कि स्टूडेंट्स मज़ीद क्या सीखना चाहते हैं या व्हाट दे वांट टू लर्न। एल से मुराद है कि व्हाट द स्टूडेंट्स हैव लर्न और वो कितना सीख चुके हैं। के डब्ल्यू एल चार्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स को एक्टिव थिंकर बनाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स बिकम मोर एक्टिव एंड मोटिवेटेड रीडर्स। इट इम्प्रूव्स सेल्फ क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल्स विच फर्दर इम्प्रूव्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक। टीचर को चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट्स को पहले के डब्ल्यू एल चार्ट इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका बताएं। अनफिल्ड के डब्ल्यू एल चार्ट को क्लास में डिस्प्ले करें और बच्चों से सवालात करके इस चार्ट को फिल करें। इस वक्त आपको स्क्रीन पे जो के डब्ल्यू एल चार्ट नज़र आ रहा है, बेसिकली ये सील्स के बारे में है। नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ मच स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी नो and how much information they have about the seals. They know that seals live in sea and seals are sea animal. They eat fish and they are of black color. And what more students want to learn in that section, they will learn about the types of seals. Do they give birth to babies? Do they live in warm water? What more they eat? What eat them? And after attending the class, they will come to know, or what they have learned is that seals are eared and earless. They are mammals. They live in cold water. They eat crabs, krills, shellfish. And what are those animals who kill seals? Like killer whales, sharks, and they can snort, hiss, and growl. Venn diagram is used to show similarities and differences. Venn diagram is an overlapping circle. Each circle represents its item. Circle A has its own quality which are different to circle B. The circle overlap has qualities which are common to circle A and B. Venn diagram was first developed by John Venn, an English logician. Venn diagram can be used to differentiate between characters, events, products, places, and so on, to show similarities and differences. It can be used in maths for teaching logic theory, self-theory, and sets or data and their relationship with each other. Tchart is also a very famous graphic organizer which is used by teachers as teaching tool. It is used to compare two things: opinion, fact, pros and cons. It can be used for contrast and comparison, advantages and disadvantages, strengths and weaknesses, true and false. It provides two sets of information. Sequence chart is also a very important teaching tool which is used to write events, actions, numbers in a particular order from start to end. Any concept which has a distinct order can be displayed in this type of organizer for teaching comprehension passage or story and bringing all the events in the story in right order. These sequence charts are used. Sequence charts can also be used for creative writing where students simplifies detailed information which enables them to expand their story with detailed description. Concept map or a mind map. Concept map is a powerful tool for teaching. This map is very useful for visual learners. Information is presented in chunks and it has meaningful links with other information. It keeps students to understand new concepts. Students can think about the concepts in several ways. It also deepens understanding and comprehension. स्टूडेंट किसी भी नई इंफॉर्मेशन को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स मेन आइडिया को दूसरी इंफॉर्मेशन से कनेक्ट करते हैं। टीचर्स को चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट्स को कॉन्सेप्ट मैप्स बनाना सिखाएं। टीचर्स को चाहिए कि रीडिंग के दौरान स्टूडेंट्स को मेन आइडिया को आइडेंटिफाई कराने में इनकी हेल्प करें। ये भी सिखाएं कि डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ को किस तरह से कैटेगराइज करें। Students must be taught that how ideas and information related to it are connected with each other with lines and arrows. Teachers should motivate students to explain that how they have made connections between concepts. Later on, students are supposed to summarize the story that was read. For example, there is a concept or a mind map in front of you before teaching any reading comprehension passage or for the creative writing. A teacher can draw a mind map on the board, and she can also ask the students to draw a mind map in their notebooks. For example, they are going to read about or they are going to write about the trip or a Murray trip. What are the things that the students will be in need of when they go to the Murray trip? For example, students will write that they will be in need of food, luggage, van, first aid, camera, hotel, and warm dress. And this is how they will ask the students to give more and more ideas that will later on help them for creative writing. Man Idea Web. It is also a very powerful tool for teaching and learning, and normally Man Idea Webs are used for character sketching, whether in the story or for creative writing. Cycle is also a powerful tool for teaching and learning, and an effective graphic organizer that is used to show a cycle of any process that go round and round. For example, in front of you you can see the life cycle of plant. First we have a seed, and the next step is young plant, and young plant turns to be a mature plant, then the flower, then it becomes a fruit. So this process goes round and round. And next we have a pyramid. Pyramids are used to show hierarchies, classification, research, data, and grouping of information. Then we have a tree diagram. Tree diagram is also a type of graphic organizers that show concept ideas and items related to one another. The trunk of the tree represents the main idea. All the ideas are presented in logical sequence or order. A cause and effect diagram is also called fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is used to show and identify causes of problems. Students can also sort ideas into categories. Next we have pie chart. A pie chart is also a type of graphic diagram used to show percentage and part of whole. Each portion represents the percentage of something. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can see upcoming latest videos of mine. Thank you so much.